No. Oh no. Wait a minute. 235 maybe? Wow, he's hauling. Yeah. Yeah, it was 277. I'm gonna wait for the D-pad to go off. See how many axles?
Like 300.
Yeah. 350, 400 something maybe, or less.
No, 300. About.
Maybe a little bit more maybe, who knows. Gonna find out sooner or later. Yeah, D765 should be coming up any minute. Should be. I think that's his horn, but I'm not sure. Oh, Monday I could be here Monday. I will be here. And also the Wheel 99 might be here too. I'm not sure yet.
Here?
Yeah.
When?
This Monday.
Monday? For what?
Well, they had no school. So some of them.
They don't have school Monday.
And Tuesday.
What's going on Monday? Oh, elections.
Well, probably.
Maybe.
Yeah, I don't know for sure. So yeah, I'm definitely be here Monday. Definitely. Oh, there it goes.
CSX Equipment Defect Detector. Milepost 22.6. Track 1. No defects. No defects. Total axle 390. End of transmission.
You got me.
Hey, I was closest. But sorry.
You